Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be solving this Leetcode problem, valid Sudoku. Okay, so let's see what it's saying. Determine if a 9 into 9 Sudoku board is valid. Only the field cells need to be validated according to the following rules. Number 1. Each row must contain the digits 1 to 9 without repetition. Each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 without repetition, and each of the 9 3 into 3 subboxes of the grid must contain the digits 1 to 9 without repetition. So what's the question rules saying to us is that we cannot have repetitions, that is like we cannot have 5 and 3 in here, we cannot have repetitions in these rows, we cannot have repetitions in the columns, and we cannot have repetitions in the sub boxes, that is these 3 into 3 sub boxes. Okay, these 3 into 3 sub boxes we cannot have repetitions in them. Okay, so the and also let's look at the node by that is given to us. Okay, wait a second. Now let's look at the node by. It said a Sudoku board partially filled could be valid but not necessarily solvable. Only the field cells need to be validated according to the mentioned rules. So that is what this means is that this board we do not need to solve this board to actually validate the board. Okay, we just need to validate according to the according to the board given to us. Okay, we don't need to solve this board. Okay, so that is what it's saying. Okay, and now let's see how we can solve this problem. The brute force approach could be something like we could pick each of the numbers and put them into an array and then check if the duplicate exists in the array or not. Okay, if if duplicate is found, then we would return false, otherwise we would return true. Okay, so that would be costing us a time complexity of like O of n cube. Okay, we can have 3 for loops and that would be costing us a time complexity of O of n cube. Okay, but this could be solved in much faster way, and that is by using something called as a hash set. Okay, so how would we solve this? Let's first write out the code. Okay, set scene equals to, we would have a hash set, and we would loop till only the end of the board, that is we would loop till 9 I plus plus, and again we would loop int j equals to 0, j is less than 9, j plus plus. We would loop till the end of the board, that is we would actually loop the whole board. Okay, since the board is 9 cross 9, so we are just looping from 0 to 9. Okay, from 0 to 8. Okay, and now what we would do is store all the characters, all the these are all strings. Okay, these are all strings. Let's see, constant. Okay, board ij is a digit 1 to 9 or a character dot. Okay, so we could transfer these numbers into characters. Okay, so what we would do is we would store all the numbers into a character. Okay, every number we would encounter, we would store it into a character. Okay, and then what we would do is we would do something like if scene dot add number plus, I will tell you what this means. Okay, I will tell you, don't worry. Number plus in row plus I, or in column plus j, or what we would do is copy and then do it for the box. Okay, I don't know what's happening there. Anyways, in block or box. We can say block or box, okay, it does not matter actually. I by 3 plus let's have a dash here, dash plus j by 3. Okay, and now if this happens, what we would do is return false, else what we would do is return, okay, there wouldn't be any or, sorry, okay, return false. Otherwise what we would do is return true, return true, return true. Okay, so what's this part is doing, let's see. What we have here is scene.add. okay, wait, hold a second. Okay, so what we have here is, just a sec, so what we have here is scene.add is number plus in row plus I. So what's this doing is it's checking if there is a number, which is in the row, so what's this doing is it's adding the number into the hash set. Suppose we encounter something like 9. Okay, so what this function would do is it will, if the number isn't in our hash set, what this will do is it will add the number, that is 9. It will add 9 plus in row, it will add something like in row 9 in row 9 in row I, it will add I 0 1 2, 9 in row 2. Again it will add 9 in column 9 in column 0 1. Okay, 9 in column 0 1, and like that in the block I by 3 dash j by 3. Okay, like this it would add. Now what happens is we are adding every number into the hash set. Okay, and if there is some number which is already in the hash set, what this will do is it will return false. Okay, so this would return false, and our the condition will break here and it would return false. Otherwise it would return true if all the numbers are checked and everything we get is added in the hash set and no other duplicate value is present. Okay, let's now run the code. Okay, let's see what's the problem. Number in row, number in column, number in block. Okay, I have done a mistake, a grave mistake, that is I haven't checked if the number isn't actually a dot. My bad. If the number isn't a dot, then what we will do is do this, otherwise we would do that. Okay, so what the mistake I did was that I didn't check if there was no number present in the array. Okay, if there was no number present, that is it was some sort of a dot was present, then what should we have we done? Okay, so it will just now check for every number, okay, and not for the dots. It was first checking for all the dots and adding the dots into the hash set and giving us wrong result. Okay, let's submit. Okay, as you can see it runs, and this is quite a good solution for the problem. If you don't understand the problem, I would suggest you go through this part of the solution in pen and paper. Okay, write every possible row and column and and you will surely get it. This is a very good problem to solve, valid Sudoku. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.